Hello!
Hello.
I'm Bob.
And we haven't moved from when we ended our last vlog.
So, this is
because it's been like
part
5
2.
seconds. Yes.
This is 2.0.
Part 2.
Duh.
Yeah. Where are we?
We're at the Contemporary Resort. Yeah,
That's
I
the
guess
Contemporary.
kind of a wonky way to show the Contemporary. I don't even know if you...
I don't even know if you can see it.
Okay, anyway.
But that's it.
That's a
where we are.
wonk shot.
It's wonk shot.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We are going to take a fireworks cruise.
Fireworks cruise.
Yeah.
We're super excited.
I like the sound effects. Good
Yes.
job. Good job.
Yeah. We booked this how long ago?
I don't know, 2 months, 3
A few months ago.
Yeah, 60 days.
60 days. You can only book it at 60 days.
Right.
So, and at the time, I think you booked ours at like 59, 58 days. And
Yeah,
the Polynesian and Grand Floridian
We're already full.
were already full.
Because we're staying at the Poly.
Yeah, so we wanted to leave from the Poly, but it was already full. So they said the Contemporary is available, so that's why we're here.
We snagged the Contemporary.
Leaving from here.
It's just a short monorail ride away.
So let's give you a little information about the fireworks cruise.
Okay,
Okay?
go.
So yes, you can book 60 days in advance. The boat holds up to 10 people.
Right.
So you can split it however you want the cost. We decided we just wanted it to be the 5 of us with with Emma and John.
Yep.
Over there.
Yep. It was $425, I believe. $424.98.
Yeah, which worked out to be 80 something bucks
per
a person for 5 of us. So if you take that and split it between 10,
40-ish.
That's $42.50.
yeah, so that is not bad.
No.
So you have to check in an hour and 15 minutes before the cruise goes.
Before the fireworks.
Or before the fireworks.
Fireworks are scheduled to go off at 9.
Yes.
And so we have to be here at 7:45.
Right. And of course it is subject to weather.
Yes.
Blah, blah, blah.
And
It's
it can be canceled for any reason at any time.
So it's a beautiful night tonight, so we are good to go.
You can bring your own beverages, but they have to be plastic or tin. You cannot bring glass onto the boat.
Correct.
No glass.
So you are allowed to bring alcoholic
Can't
beverages.
bring your glasses, but
And
They don't-
non-alcoholic beverages.
Yeah, and non-alcoholic. So they just have to be in a non-glass container or
a plastic cup.
a plastic cup. So they provide snacks and like water and sodas.
Yep.
That's included in the price of your cruise.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you have a celebration like an anniversary or birthday or something, you can tell them that and they'll decorate the boat.
Banners and balloons.
So when we go down that way, that's where all the boats are parked. I'll show you all the boats.
We probably should go down there
They're lined
anyway.
up. Okay, we're gonna head down that way.
Yep.
As soon as we can extract our butts out of these chairs.
Oh my God, we're sitting on the ground pretty much.
Yeah, because these are really low chairs. That's what they look like. You can book. You can choose either Magic Kingdom fireworks. You can choose either Magic Kingdom fireworks or Epcot fireworks. So obviously the ones at Epcot are gonna leave from like Yacht Club, Beach Club, Boardwalk, that area.
Just Yacht Club. Yacht Club Boardwalk.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah,
Yacht
Beach
Club
Club doesn't
Boardwalk.
have docks.
Oh,
Yacht Club has docks. Beach Club has beach.
all right. So there we are. We're gonna go look at the boats.
She's a liar. A
Sorry,
dirty
I lied.
liar.
We just checked in for our fireworks cruise and met our captain, our boat captain, who's going to be doing our cruise for us. Our driver, whatever. She said glass is actually allowed in the evening time, so just not in the daytime. So she asked us if we wanted to go get any alcoholic beverages or anything like that, and she advised us to go. Advised us to go use the restroom if we needed to. She said that we'd be back around 9:30. So, yeah, you're allowed to bring pretty much anything you want to drink, because that's the drift that I got. So, cool. There's the boats. So we have a basket of snacks, and we can keep the postcard or the picture. We'll give it to Emma and John, and then we have drinks. You want to show them the drinks?
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay, we have Dasani, Sprite, Diet Coke and Coke.
There's
There you go.
crispy treats,
So
some
pretty.
massive cookies, and very calorie conscious brownies. Oh, and there's a plain one too. Plain Rice Krispie.
Oh.
Is it
Oh,
good?
okay.
Oh, you got one?
Oh, there's a plain Rice Krispie.
Yeah?
With the decoration.
Oh.
That's the most like crazy.
do you think?
It's nice.
The decorations
Nice.
are amazing.
That'd be amazing. I'm getting
For
season.
Christmas time, that's well.
You are not.
Whoa.
The light is so pretty right now.
Look at Space Mountain back there.
And we can see a little bit of the construction of Tron.
Oh yeah.
No.
We're excited.
Shoe tree and birds.
Birds, shoe trees. Baby
So why do they throw their shoes there?
So you can see they're white.
Yeah.
All of them are white, and the reason is cast members that work in recreation, like or watercraft, when they are either retiring or they're transferring to another department or college program, they finish their college program, they come and throw their shoes.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
So
a very-
it's all.
Look at the oceans all the way up there.
You'd really have to toss them pretty good up there.
Somebody's got a good arm.
Your shadow stretching on the floor while the sun gets low. I got a feeling that the glow deep inside my core needs to breathe to flow. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. obstacles that we faced did ever slow us down. We knew we'd get here, went the extra mile in every race. We are duty bound. We push it right on through. I know you need it too, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Who knew we'd get this far? But now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, man. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. Let's celebrate. Call it a day. We give it our best, but sometimes we need to stop to see what we have assessed. I'm grateful about everything, because we have been working hard right from the very start. Now we get this far, but now it's time for us to stay out until it's late. We've come a long, long way, so we deserve it, mate. Call it a day and celebrate.
Okay, I wanted to add something about the fireworks cruise, which was great, by the way. We loved it. It's worth every penny. One other thing is they'll pick you up from any of the resorts and drop you off at any of the resorts in the Magic Kingdom area. So she offered, since we're staying at the Polynesian, she offered to take us back to the Polynesian, but since we parked the car here at the Contemporary, we just had her bring us back here. So they don't tell you that, because right now the boats are only leaving, the boats are parked at the Grand Floridian and at the Contemporary, but they'll pick you up from any of the resorts.
Yeah,
Right.
but they didn't tell us that.
No, that's what I was saying. They didn't tell you that, but
And they'll drop you off at the resorts too.
exactly. I was just saying that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fireworks cruise, excellent.
Worth every penny.
Yes, worth
Yeah.
every penny.
Big fan.
Especially if you
Double
get like
yes.
you
Really
get like
good.
10 people.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
It
if
is
you-
like cheap,
if
dirt
you-
cheap.
Yeah.
I don't think it's priced that bad, really.
I really
really
don't think
wasn't.
so.
Not
And
for 5 either.
Our boat driver, captain person,
She was very
Daisy,
good.
she was
Yeah.
really awesome.
We went to see
So.
the electrical water.
Yeah, and that was really nice.
Up close and personal.
So yeah, you get what, like a couple hours? Hour and a half?
Yeah, it went from 7:45 to 9:30.
Yeah, so almost 2 hours on the boat, which was really, really good.
Definitely
So
recommend it.
we would totally do it
But
again.
you can totally bring your own booze,
Yeah.
bring your own ice. Doesn't have to be in plastic. At least
Yeah.
that's what Daisy told us.
That's what Daisy told us.
She
So
goes, no, at night they do things a little different. During
Right.
the day, it's got stricter rules.
right. So, but they tell you when you book it, it's no glass.
Yeah.
But she's like, yeah, glass is
You're
okay.
like, do whatever.
So anyway, super cool. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did watching it.
Yeah.
Thanks
So
for
we're
watching.
the
And
road, Jack.
don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give us a
Boom.
thumbs up if you enjoyed our video.
Yeah.
And
That was a nice thumb.
ding the notification bell. That was an extra thumb right there. Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.